In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use the Groundskeeper 2 rake. It's a new rake that I bought off of Amazon. I'll be putting a link in the description of this video to show you how to buy it on Amazon. Anyways, I was looking for a new rake that would rake the leaves off my lawn, but also de-thatch the lawn. And this rake's got great reviews on Amazon. It's easy to assemble. It comes with the handle and then the head, and all you need to do is put some olive oil or WD-40 on the handle, and then you insert it into the position within the head. There's actually a pre-drilled hole in the handle, and you want to line that up with the hole in the head, and then they give you a nail that you have to hammer in to attach the handle permanently to the head. Now it's a really tight fit, so be careful. Don't twist. Just line up the hole and just try to push it in. I actually bought two of these rakes. One of them fit really well, but the other one, I probably pushed it too hard and the hole didn't line up, so I actually had to use my drill to drill a new pilot hole. Anyways, this is a great rake. It's really lightweight. It has a 55-inch fiberglass handle and a 21-inch wide head. And the rake is made of these metal tines, which are very thin but stiff. And they're preloaded with tension because they've got like a spring tension where they connect with the plastic head of the rake. This allows me to rake leaves off of the lawn, dead grass, and any other debris in the lawn, but it allows the healthy grass and the green stems to pass through and stay on the lawn. The instructions say that you just lay the rake on the ground and start pulling towards you. Like I said, it's very lightweight and it's not a lot of work to do that, but you don't want to lean into it or push hard. It worked a lot better than my other rakes, which I used to deal with fall leaves. You know, I found that it was able to remove the leaves on the lawn, the dead grass, and the dead leaves. For example, the leaves from the maple trees, the seeds. And, you know, there was some debris that collected on the tines, but to clean it, all you had to do was flip the rake over and just rub it on the lawn, and the dead grass came out easily. I found that in some sections of my lawn, it actually was able to remove some of the weeds, like the creeping Charlie or the mint that grows in my lawn. And it actually exposed the soil through the dethatching process, which is great, because I'll be overseeding my lawn soon, and it'll allow the grass seeds to connect with the healthy soil at the bottom of the lawn. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Try out this rake. I'll leave a link in the description for you to buy it on Amazon. This is one of my videos that's part of my organic lawn care video playlist on YouTube. Please check that out. There might be other videos that you might enjoy. You know, I try to show how I use organic lawn care practices to take care of our modest lawn at home. Thanks for watching.